Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to unbox a face mask which is actually battery operated face mask, and it has a different faces on it, and it is app control. You can actually change the faces front of the mask with your app, and it's very easy to connect. Just got this from China, so let's see. I'm just gonna give you my review of this product, if it's really useful or not. So in the box, as you can see, this is how it comes. So, and one cable in it to charge it, and the good thing is that this mask comes with the USB type C cable, so most of the people already have it. As you can see, this has a nice shiny paper on it as well. Look at this, guys. What do you guys think? So let's turn this on and connect with my phone. And simple, on top of that it has a button, so just press and hold. Right now the battery, it was showing battery on it, half of it. So all I have to do is go to this app right here, which I already downloaded from Play Store. Shiny Mask, that's the app called. You open the app, it's a very simple process, and that's it. You go on top of the app, click on the plus button, the mask will be here. You are connecting, and I'm already successful. So go back, and now I can go and change the different faces. So let me just put this on. I can also see on the screen while this change, and you can do this. So let me know what you guys think. Let me turn off actually the main light, so the mask, you will see, to look better I guess in the dark. What I see right now is the brightness is quite low. Let me increase. Okay, now it's a little bit brighter. So my camera got confused, like what's going on. So it's the only bad thing about this mask is it's a little bit harder to see. As you can see in the app, there is so many of them. I'm gonna keep selecting and you guys can see how they look on the mask. So right now my camera is getting confused. So let's say if I go here, you can see if I go Super Saiyan Blue, also you can see, and the fire. There is a lot of different settings with this mask, which looks pretty amazing. Let me turn off this light as well, if my camera can focus only on me. And I have this setting. I hope it's actually focus. So reason to make it dark, so you guys have better idea how it looks. What do you guys think? This mask is pretty cool for the kids, and if you want to make anybody scared, you can do that just for the fun. Oh, look at that, has angry face as well. So very small portion of uh, to look front of you. Oh, look at that. What do you guys think? Is it scary? Okay, I'm gonna, I think, take this a thumbnail or this. So there is so many of them, guys. They have a lot of them in their app. Okay, this one looks okay as well. This one too. So what I see is, it seems like the brightness is a little bit less. So alright, we do have more. We have this. Who is this guy? I think I know it, but I don't remember. There is so many different faces, guys, with this mask. I can go on and show you all those. Look at this. So if it's completely dark, like I did it right now, then it's fine. So if it's not that dark, I don't think it's very bright, but it's still uh, pretty good. You can literally see. Look at this. Okay, this one is cool. The Venom one. This is the Joker one. This is I wish they had the Squid Game one. So as you can see, they have so many different faces. On and on and on. It's like way too many to show you guys all of them. That's a very cool gadget. So what do you guys think? The one small problem I had with this is that it's not very comfortable from the nose. Other than that, the build quality is pretty good. So my light is not turning on for some reason. So yeah, so let me know what do you guys think. That's a cool gadget. That's why I want to review this. It's pretty nice. Cool little toy for kids, I guess. And build quality is also pretty solid. And this has on the front of the mask, it has this rubbery material to fit on your face. The only downside is this little bit. Other than that, did not have any breathing problem on the face. Only a little bit on the eyes because of this, as some of you might already know if you have an Oculus Quest. So that's a pretty cool gadget. I just thought that I should give you guys a review. For this one, we purchased this for like $35 from Alibaba. I'm not advertising, not paid promotion or anything. I'll try to put the link in the description for you guys if you are interested in this. And yep, I'll see you guys in the next one.